Indian Constitution is the result of efforts of a large manpower. The Constituent Assembly had different functions to be performed, for which various committees were formed. These were mainly bifurcated in major and minor committees. Now let's discuss the various committees along with the name of chairman. So now let's start with major committees. So there are total 8 major committees. Jawaharlal Nehru, the chairman of Union Power Committee, Union Constitution Committee and State Committee. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the chairman of Provincial Constitution Committee and Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, Tribals and Excluded Area. And Rajendra Prasad, Rules of Procedure Committee and Steering Committee. And then last but not least, most important, B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of Drafting Committee, which was responsible for drafting the Constitution of India. The drafting committee was set up on 29 August 1947. It took around 6 months to prepare the first draft of the Constitution. 4th of February 1948. तो अब हम लोगों ने मेजर कमिटीज़ और उनके चेयरमैन के बारे में तो जान लिया. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद माइनर कमिटीज़. देयर आर टोटल 13 माइनर कमिटीज़. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद राजेंद्र प्रसाद, द चेयरमैन ऑफ फाइनेंस एंड स्टाफ कमिटी एंड अधोक कमिटी ऑन नेशनल फ्लैग. अलादी कृष्ण स्वामी अय्यर, द चेयरमैन ऑफ क्रेडेंशियल कमिटी. बी पथाभी सीतारामन, द चेयरमैन ऑफ हाउस कमिटी एंड कमिटी ऑन चीफ कमिश्नर प्रोविंसेस. K.M. Munshi, the chairman of Order of Business Committee. G.V. Mavlankar, chairman of Committee on Function of Constituent Assembly. Jawaharlal Nehru, the chairman of Special Committee to examine Draft Constitution. Ushanath Sen, the chairman of Press Gallery Committee. S. Vardachari, the chairman of Adhok Committee on Citizenship and Adhok Committee on Supreme Court. S. K. Dhar, the chairman of Linguistic Provinces Commission, and Nalini Ranjan Sarkar, expert committee on financial provinces of Union Constitution. And S. Vardachari, S. K. Dhar and Nalini Ranjan Sarkar were not members of Constituent Assembly.